Hello guys, now good rain started, so enjoying it for. Actually, yesterday here in Amalsar railway station, one elder person lost his life in horrifying, very horrible railway accident, which I can say about to subject to investigation because it just happened from a platform. So people are mentioning this, that, tension or whatever, but I consider it's a subject of investigation because it happened from platform. So very horrible accident in this kind of season means Indian railways are still means not I can say 100% because this thing happened. So please take care of yourself, especially to my global viewers. Watch my video. India is a safe and great country, but here we have an issue with uneducated people that they don't respect other people's privacy, and so I think from my video you can now tolerate that, and you can adjust with that. Just a part of out of Kashmir especially, because Kashmir is full with extremists, and I just won't judge anybody. I am just saying my experience. This is the Hindu crimination. When yesterday we sent, I have been for hours and just goodbye. Ex Bank of Baroda employee from Amalsar village. So I am just saying that Kashmir is full with extremists and out of control Muslim extremists being controlled by the present government greatly and proudly, 100%, because I am Hindu, I am Indian, and today is the 16th August. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. So apart and it was just a genocide and well planned. They have planned since years, because 100% they have not courage to face a line of control. Yeah, we have better equipment and far more greater artillery and weapons, because we don't start at first. Okay, we don't start at first. We are not that coward that gonna take a toy gun and gonna kill husband in front of wife and children. We are not that coward. Our soldiers are well trained, well manners. They know how to deal with extremists. Even we have forgive extremists that the painful mistake happened in past. I can say that, yes, 100%. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. मैं थोड़ा क्या बोले कि वेदर है तो मैं एसी का यूज़ बहुत करता हूँ, एयर कंडीशनिंग आराम के लिए, तो और थोड़ा ठंडे का भी शौक है तो नहीं, गर्म चाय पीता हूँ तो अच्छा हो जाता है, गर्मा गर्म, वो अदरक वाली, ज़्यादा अदरक डाल के कड़क एकदम मसाला वाली, तो उससे सब बैलेंस हो जाता है. और जैसे यहाँ पे मैं बोलता हूँ कि हिंदी और गुजराती में सिर्फ ऊपर की लाइन का फ़र्क है. કેમ બાબા છે ને ભાઈ, we have to defend our nation, great nation, because we have a 50% youth who is less than 30 and 25 years. So 100% India gonna be rocket engine growth, because this is the new open railway overbridge which just opened last year, recently means Amalsar. So I just saying that to my global viewers and foreigners that this kind of thing only happening in rural area, villages, when, and also not all 100%, not all, not in northeast, not in South India. If you visit Tamil Nadu, Kerala, I have been there. Karnataka, even I'm very sorry that I got that Karnataka tourist bin horribly. As an Indian, I have no words. I can't spare the victim's pain because one male been killed and one been raped, and I got news from Career 24 and Study IQ and Open Letter, and they are great people, not like a fake TRP media which gonna shut down by the Owen Karma by spreading lies to Indian youth and Indian people. 100%, because I am a Hindu, I am a 100% reverse karma believer. You have to pay for your, even I have to pay if I mislead anybody, and I am trying to clear and giving clear information, spreading clear information. Also regarding that, our government trying to not to involve American milk products. Yes, because I have seen even 8 to 9 years before that over there means cows are eating meats and meatballs. Is this a natural thing? How? Means it's not a natural thing. You are not giving mammals. Mammals are born to eat vegetarian veggies. Part of experiment could be appreciated, I can say that, but mammals are born to eat vegetarian. I'm not saying because I am Hindu and Indian, and okay, I am a milk user from morning to whole day, so that's the reason we love them, mammals and cows and buffaloes, because they give us a healthy milk. So I am in favor to you can use a milk byproduct to give them. It's been proven healthy. I have what in gathered this information from Flying Beast, our Varun Taneja, really great man, great person. Despite kicking away from job, great whistleblower. सल्यूट टू यू. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. क्योंकि मतलब मानना पड़ेगा, ऐसा तो मेरे को कोई मिला ही नहीं, मतलब कि जो अपनी मतलब जॉब और पैसे का ख्याल नहीं रखे और सबसे पहले अपने कर्म पर ध्यान दे कि अपनी जॉब और बिजनेस से किसी का नुकसान ना हो जाए. दैट्स द हिंदू, दैट्स द कर्मा, दैट्स द 100% एंड कर्मा बिलीवर and reverse karma believer. Tanuj sir, thank you for all information regarding just after a horrible, horrifying and very painful and very, very means Ahmedabad plane crash. Your videos helping me, investing me greatly.